Hi, this is a little quick tutorial on using the American Printing House for the Blind Nemeth tutorial site. So first, let's get there by Googling APH Nemeth tutorial. Open that site. Now we have one setup thing to do. At the top, under the header Nemeth tutorial, we have a box for use symbolic math. We want that checked so that you're seeing the numbers and symbols. If it's unchecked, then you see the words written out. So we also want to use 6-dot entry so we can braille on our QWERTY keyboard. So what's happening for me when I want to do that is I click use 6-dot entry, and you get a screen that gives you some information about doing that, and then there's a box down here. If you focus on that box, then you're going to use your 6-key entry, and if your keyboard supports the feature, the page will disappear, and then the site, you'll get back to the main page of the site. So let me go ahead and do that. I put my cursor in that box, and I'm lining up my fingers on the QWERTY 6-key entry, which means my index fingers are on F and J, regular home row position, and then I have FDS, JKL as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to press all 6, and then I'm jump back to the main page, and there's a box that shows use QWERTY 6-dot entry is on. So then I can just go to chapter 1, 1.1, gives you information about the numeric indicator and the numerals, and after you read through that, there's some exercises, and I just focus my cursor in the box for the writing exercise, and I can write the example there. So I have 1 space 2, so numeric indicator 1 space, and off I go. Enjoy.